this one is my latest. Wait, hey guys, so for today we're doing a luxury haul of my bags and shoes only. Coats can be for next time, but for now just bags and shoes. Let's start off with a pile over here. This one is actually from my recent trip and I'm really super duper happy about this. I was looking for a bag that I can use for Fashion Week and I feel like this one I can really use. So it's a tiny version of their book tote, but in this limited edition print. I feel like it's like a constellation, horoscope, signs. See, you can see like all the different signs there. And I really love it. I fell in love with it right away. When we went to the store, I saw it and was like, I want it. The salesperson was also telling me that it was actually of special order. Someone ordered it but then never came back for it. So it is now mine. Inside, there's no pocket or anything. It's super simple. It's just really like this. There's also no button, no zippers, no anything. It's just like that. Super cute. And I feel like it's really perfect for New York Fashion Week because it's more, whenever I dress for New York Fashion Week, I really like being more playful with things, and this bag is really super duper playful, and that's why I think it's perfect for it. Next, some accessories from Dior again. So this time, it's this custom jewelry of Dior. I've always wanted to buy this necklace, but I don't know why it took me this long to buy. So here is their classic CD necklace. It doesn't really fit like a choker to me. I'm guessing it's around 15 inches, I would guess. So hindi siya super choker. You can adjust it so it could be longer but this is how I like to wear mine on the shortest one. You can't really see the camera, it's too far from me, but there. I love it. It's a classic CD necklace and I'm gonna be bringing this with me to my trip too. Next is this pair of sunnies from Christian Dior as well. I first saw this pair of sunnies, or at least the earlier version of this, at the local Christian Dior store here in Greenbelt. But they didn't have the black one. They only had the blue one then, and I really wanted something black. So when we went to Europe a few months ago, I was looking for the black version of that, but they didn't have it anymore. They only had the newer version, which is this one. I wasn't really sure if I liked this because the older version that I liked had a more of like a subtle Christian Dior on the side. And this one is really like loudly Christian Dior. You really see it because it's in black and white and a contrasting color. So I didn't know if I wanted something as loud. But then when I wore them and tried them on, I was like, I love it. So excuse the hairy thing below. It's Penny. This is Penny. Okay, she decided to sit here. So yeah, so this is my current favorite pair of sunnies. I feel like they're just the right size, the right shape. Perfect. Okay, we have here a really big paper bag, so we can go really big now because we started with a small thing. So let's open this one up. This is the only one that I still have in a paper bag because this just arrived a few days ago. Whenever I buy stuff, I don't really keep the paper bags. I don't keep the boxes. I only keep the pouches or the dust bags. I used to keep them and I don't end up using them anyways. They just collect dust and dirt and everything else, so I never bring home boxes and paper bags. But this one, I didn't have to bring home with me because it was delivered right to my doorstep. I ordered this online through Baima. So if you're not familiar with Baima, Baima is actually also a new discovery of mine. It's a specialty marketplace that has hundreds of luxury brands available. And what makes it special is that it's a C2C marketplace. So what I mean about that is it's actually like a marketplace full of personal shoppers who can shop the specific item for you. So you go on Baima and basically search through the luxury brands or search through the different products that are posted there, and then you contact the personal seller and inquire about the product, and that personal seller will basically shop the item for you from the store in their specific country. So I feel like it really helps when you're looking for something that's so hard to find because there are a lot of personal shoppers and a lot of different countries where you can source the product from, because now the personal shoppers are all located in different countries. So more chances of you finding that product that you want. So what did I get from Baima? I'll give you a hint. This is already my third pair of this specific style from Prada. I love these shoes so much that I had to get it in another color. And here it is. I really searched for this. I basically went through like the different personal shoppers that offer Prada on Baima. And then I contacted the seller and asked if my specific size is still available. And then they confirmed with me. So basically you just have to click the connect with seller button. And then it took the seller just a few days to confirm my order with me that my size is indeed available. So I added to cart, checked out. There are a lot of payment options naman, so no problem. Like there's Apple Pay, credit cards, PayPal. And then the seller got back to me on the expected shipping date and also the tracking number. It was super duper easy peasy. easy. I really love the experience. I felt like I really had my very own personal shopper, which is basically what Baima is. So eto na. Eto na. Oh, in case you guys are wondering about customs and duties, it depends on what country you're delivering to. Here in the Philippines, I had to pay for customs. DHL is the one who'll contact you for that. So DHL will be the one to contact you on how much custom duties and taxes you have to pay for this specific product. So I just paid online and now I have the product. Okay, let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we have here the Prada card. We have here some more cards. More cards. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Monolith Fisherman Sandals of Prada. This is already my third pair, no shame. I already have the white and the green one, and now I wanted the black one. It's really so nice kasi I really love this style. And I've already had it before pa siya nauso, okay? So, mahal ko talaga siya. As in, true love talaga siya. And since I already have two of this, I can really tell you that it's legit. It's exactly the same as my other two pairs. And with Baima kasi, they have a zero tolerance policy when it comes to inauthentic items or fake items. They will offer you a full refund if you do get an inauthentic item. But if the item naman that you get differs significantly, like with the photo that you got, let's say it's not fake, but it's just a very different color from the photo that they offered. Baima also allows return or exchange as long as there's a mutual agreement between you and the seller. But if there's no specific reason, you just changed your mind, hindi po siya pwede because nga, this is a C2C marketplace, so that's not possible. There you go. Also, Yoni was just asking me now because he didn't know that it was a C2C marketplace. He was like, so do you just choose a product and then dependent on which seller has it? Actually, you already see right away which seller you're talking to. It's like every seller has their own page for all the different brands and products. So, okay, next. Next, we're gonna go tackle all of my tiny Chanel bags because it has become an addiction. I admit I am an addict. Hi, I'm Camille ko and I am a micro and mini Chanel addict. Let's start off with this bag. So this is basically a wallet on chain bag. So it is considered an accessory. It's not a full-on bag of Chanel, and which is why it's also cheaper than a bag. Wallet on chains are always much cheaper than bags of Chanel because this still falls under their small leather goods. So, I was actually choosing between this one and another version, which is like a square-ish version, a bit longer than this, but way smaller. Also won't fit your phone. And that one was way more expensive than this one. And the Chanel representative who was assisting me recommended this one. She was like, you know what, this is so much cheaper. You can put so much more. They basically look the same because they have the same chain, which is what made me fall in love with it in the first place. I really loved how special this chain looked. So yeah, I was sold. So in case you're not familiar with how the wallet on chain looks, it's got all these different slots for your credit card, and then you also have a zip here, and you also have a pocket here, and a pocket at the back. It can fit so much. Like for me, it can fit 2 phones, and then all my beauty stuff, which is basically just my oil film and my lipstick, and also my money. And then, next up, this is also part of their small leather goods. It's not a bag. It's like a lipstick pouch. So I love this because of the color. It comes in this yummy sky blue color. And it's tiny, and I really love the chain as well. So it's got CC over here. And it's got Coco on this side. I love this. It doesn't fit anything. It just fits my happiness, as most of the mini and micro bags are. I still have the sticker here. I didn't remove it, but it's basically a mirror. And then there's a slot here for your lippy. Next one is this hot pink bag. This one is already part of their bag collection, so this is not a small leather good. I love this because if you look closely at the CC, it's actually got some sort of a design on there. It's not like a plain flat CC. It also has Chanel written here. I love the color, which is why I bought it. It's also got some slots inside for your credit card, so there's 2 on both sides, also on this side. For me, it's very easy to go around with the mini and micro bags because I have my phone on a strap anyways, and that's the only big thing that I have with me. I don't usually carry cash, just credit cards, so I just shove them in here. I only need my oil film and my lipstick, and that's it. I'm good to go. I travel very, very light. I don't need anything else, and that's why these things really work for me because I don't have to take my bag off of my body, so I don't have to worry about losing my bag ever. And ever since getting my bag stolen before here in the Philippines, I had a big bag then. It's just been a trauma with me that every time I'm bringing a big bag, I just, like, Yoni knows this, I cannot put my bag anywhere else. Like, it always has to be here with me. And if it's a big bag and I'm eating at a restaurant, it's just such a huge hassle. So that's why I prefer these smaller bags. I just always know that they're with me. So this one, I bought them. They're not a set. Swerte natin kung bought this in a set. But basically, this is a sunglass pouch. It's shaped for your sunglasses, but I don't use it for sunglasses. I use it for whatever I want to bring with me. It's in a hot red color, and I really like it because I get to pair it with this little coin bag. It's very snug, and it just works so perfectly with this. When I bought it, I also thought about all the Fashion Week opportunities of this combo, but I really wanted a red Chanel. So this one is a wallet from Chanel as well. I just recently purchased this. You guys know I have this red wallet that's super thin, super small. It's from Comme des Garçons. And I really love it because it's so low maintenance. It's also very subtle. You don't see the brand. If you don't know the brand, you don't know where I got my wallet. I love it because it's also very easily fits all my tiny bags and very, very hassle-free. That wallet has been with me through thick and thin. Water has spilled on it, alcohol probably also, juice, all sorts of stuff. It's gone through a lot, and I think it's time to change my wallet. I don't have any other small wallets anymore. I only have like big wallets or like bulky ones. And ever since using my Comme des Garçons wallet, I couldn't go back to big wallets anymore. It's just not me. So I got this from Chanel. It's also kind of like my Comme des Garçons wallet. It's almost the same size, I think. I think this is just a bit fatter, but still pretty thin. Initially, I didn't like the color. I don't think I'm a baby pink wallet kind of person, but they didn't have it in any other color, and I really, really love the style of this wallet. I love that the CC is super tiny. It's not the Chanel wallet that you see everywhere. It's very subtle still, and when I was holding it in front of the mirror, I was like, this baby pink could work. I don't hate it. So yeah, I love it because it's got all these different credit card slots at the back. There's also a pocket here, and then when you open it, it's very much like my Comme. So you just have to put your cash folded. But that's basically it. Easy, breezy, beautiful Chanel. And then next up is this one. My latest tiny Chanel bag. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this tiny bucket bag. It's so cute. It's not fit anything. This is actually more impractical than this blue one and this pink one. Actually, I correct myself. They're not impractical because again, they fit everything that I bring out with me anyways. And every time my friends see me with even like my mini flap, they get so surprised with how much stuff I get to put inside. But this one, I must agree, there's not a lot you can fit in it because it's a bucket bag, right? So you have to close it like this. So technically, the height is only this much that you can put. So it's shorter than everyone else. I do appreciate this little pouch here in front though that still houses my oil film and my allergy medicine. But I do like this because then it comes easy breezy for this and also for like coins and stuff. But the inside doesn't really fit so much because now I have to use this drawstring. But I still really, really do love it, and I feel like I could make it work. One time I'll do a what's in my bag, one of these mini bags, and you'll be surprised. I'm gonna change your mind. Okay, next, let's go to the shoes. We have one more bag pala here. So this one is by Prada, and I really, really like this bag because I feel like it's so summery, very season appropriate, also perfect for New York Fashion Week. I love the color. Initially, I wanted the other version where it goes like this, kind of like a saddle, but they didn't have it in these nice, yummy colors. They only had it in black and white, which is boring. So I wanted something a bit more fun. They had this in orange or this one. I chose this one instead. It's like lime green color. I feel like it's super perfect for those lazy days when you have like such a plain outfit and then you have this pop of color. Okay, now on to the shoes. Let's start off with these boots. This is from New York-based brand called Kate. I love their clothes, also love their accessories, but this is my first pair of shoes from Kate, and I really love it because it's a knee-high, is it? Thigh high as well. I think it's thigh high on me, yeah. And it's super fitted, super snug, super sexy, and it's low heel. So people like me who can't walk in heels, we survive in these. I got these on sale online. Speaking of on sale, I also got these on sale online. I'm looking for more like bright, colorful party shoes. And these are Jimmy Choos. Say what you want about Jimmy Choos. On my feet, they are comfortable. I really love how they fit on my feet. They don't kill my feet right away, and that's why I love them. This is PVC, and it's got these little crystals, rhinestones on them. And I love the fun color, fun neon color. And yeah, got them on sale. Still kind of pricey, but at least I can make myself feel good that it's discounted. This pair I got from one of our trips as well a few months back. This is by Prada. I just noticed that I am more of a Prada shoe girl. Out of all the luxury brands, I've been collecting more Prada shoes, especially when it comes to their heels. They're really comfortable, very easy to walk in. So these have these little crystals on them. And very low heel as well, very manageable. It's in a nice black classic color, and it's just perfect for both casual and dressy days. And then we have here these hot pink Roger Vivier shoes. I don't know if I can share this information about this brand. Maybe not yet. But it will become more accessible to us soon. Ayun na lang. So yeah, so I got these. I really love their classic style, and I love that it now comes in all these different colors. I wanted this pink one and also an orange one, but the orange one weren't available in my size. So I got this pink one, and they're not... I thought they would be more comfortable actually, because I had a friend who's such a RV fan. They're comfortable enough, but definitely not for walking. Long time. Or maybe they're comfortable walking here in the Philippines, because I tried them, I broke them in Europe where it's cobblestones. And you know, not a lot of shoes can be comfortable in cobblestones, so maybe it's not my shoes' fault. Okay, last two pairs. This one, also from a personal shopper. His name is Yoni Coro. He went to Milan.
He's the best personal shopper.
He's the best personal shopper though, according to himself. I saw this pair first via a photo back when we were in Europe, in Denmark. And we were shopping around, and then I asked them, hey, do you have like more colorful shoes? And the sales guy there showed me like, this is just about to come. But then it was arriving on the day that we were leaving, so I couldn't get them anymore. So when Yoni went to Milan before the bachelor party he attended, I asked him to pass by Prada if he had time, and he had time. He passed by Prada, he shopped a few clothes for me, and this pair of shoes. He did well. I just sent him the photo, and he was in and out. Oh no, he wasn't in and out quick, no. The salesperson saw an opportunity and started bringing him lots of stuff because he went in there with all these photos ready to buy certain things. So ding ding ding, the salesperson was like, how about this one? How about this one? So yeah, but anyway, he succeeded. He bought me these green Prada shoes that I really loved the first time I saw them pala. So weird though, because when I try to Google this, it doesn't come out, this color. It's always just the black ones or the pink ones. But these green ones, they never come out. So yan. So feeling ko special ako. Anyway, and for our last item for today's luxury haul, this is a pair of shoes from Chanel. I love the kilted design. They're also very comfortable. I love the little CC here also in gold. And this huge, obnoxious Chanel on the sole. I feel like it makes it look very modern, even though it's not seen by anyone, it's just seen by me. I just love how they made something so classic, still have these like little modern touches. And so yeah, again, in my classic low heel, because I feel like now I really am so careful when it comes to the heel height. Like no matter how much I love the style, if they're too high for me, I don't really buy them. I buy them only if they're extra special, like the YSL boots that I showed you guys before, the one that I had, like the all rhinestone one. But other than that, I really just stick to this height, because this height, I'm sure I'd still always wear the pair of shoes. I'd be able to ROI the item, and so yeah. So that's it for our luxury haul. I hope that you guys liked a few things here and there, and I hope that you loved the new discovery I shared with you guys, which is Baima. You guys should check it out. It's a very cool concept. And yeah, so I have nothing else to share. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you guys on my next vlog. Mwah!